Testing 1 2, testing 1 2. Are we live? I think we're live. Good morning, everybody. I know I'm late. I was having some technical difficulties once again with my camera. I don't know what's going on with my camera, but something is up. Hopefully I think I figured it out. I think I got it figured out. Good morning, Naruto. I've been staring at my screen for 30 minutes, waiting on Nutty. Sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I thought everything was good to go and went to turn on my camera and it didn't work. I don't know what's going on. Hey, good morning, Linda. Clyde, good morning. Ralph, Bruns, Giz Marie, Unungus Fail, Frozen North Trader, good morning. Movie Spot, Sean, Ryan Lorello, good morning. Dan Does Futures, good morning. Matthew, good morning. Oh, man. I think I figured it. Like, okay, this is so weird. You know the USB, like the what you plug into the outlet, then it has a micro USB. Something is wrong with my camera because I have burned up 2 of those now. It's really weird. I don't know what I'm a little bit worried. I think I'm going to change. I don't know. I actually ended up plugging it directly into a wall outlet and now it works. So I don't know what's going on, boys. My camera is acting up. My camera is literally eating USB chargers. It's just eating them up. Good morning, Niles. Dean Bishop. You called DoorDash to check on me. Well, if you know which one to call, they might actually have some info. Oh, man. All right, what a kind of a crazy open, I don't know. Very choppy. Seems like we can't get above the 820s. On the daily chart, I mean, it still looks like we're going higher, but the overnight session wasn't too great. I don't want to talk about my Tradeify accounts. They're gone. I mean, they're technically not gone, but I seriously give up. I'm not kidding. Don't want to talk about it. Short stuff, good morning. Alua Tosin, good morning. RH Orlando. Good morning, fellas. Thanks for tuning in, even if I'm late. I'm having issues. Having issues, man. I might switch my camera on if this keeps happening. If this keeps happening, I'm gonna switch to a different camera. It's also weird. It's only been happening since I have been using. I've been actually using a what do you call it? Like a Stream Deck or a converter, so I can have higher quality. And since I've been using higher quality, I think I don't know, or maybe I need a different USB charger with a bigger wattage. I just bought one on Amazon today, so hopefully maybe that'll fix it. Hey, good morning, Traders Chick. Good to see you. David Mendez. Good morning. Yeah, the docking station thing. Yeah, I don't know. I have a docking station, and when I plug it in there, it doesn't work. It just doesn't work. I don't know why. Doesn't charge. Doesn't bring a charge. But when I plug in something else, then it's fine. Makes no sense to me. So I was trying to do some research on it this morning. It could be my cord. I don't know. I'm going to try some different things, but we're here. We're live, at least for now. Hopefully my camera holds up. Anyway, good morning, Nathan Ramirez. Happy Monday morning, everybody. I hope you guys all had a great weekend. I did have a pretty decent weekend. We had a great time yesterday, last night. We were at some friend's house playing games, and we won. you know. Yeah, it's a pretty terrible opening so far. Right now, we just cannot seem to get above that 810 area. Also, update on my take profit trader accounts. As you can see, okay, yeah, there's a couple updates we need to do. I was going to do an update on Saturday, and I did not have time. But these My Fund of Future accounts that were red right now, we did get our payout on that account. You'll see that reflected in the payouts. The payouts are updated. Oh, you know what? I just forgot to. Apex is currently doing a 80% sale. Let me update that. I've been trying to fix my camera issues. I didn't even have time to update all my stuff. Trade day, Tradeify, My Fund of Future. All right, market. Okay, I think that's done. Hey, Black Coffee Trader is in the house. We had some technical issues. Could not get my camera to work. Once again, could not get my camera to work. And getting tired of it. I'm getting tired of it, to be honest. Rosie Rose, good morning. Dabda, good morning. Yes, we've had technical issues this morning, and we are chilling. Jag Raj, good morning. Timbo, good morning. I was mowing my lawn. I wish. Actually, I need to mow it tomorrow, I think. Hey, are we gonna break here? Are we gonna? Oh, there she goes. There she blows. I might take a trade on my take profit accounts. I might take this breakout. Let's see if we can get a breakout trade going. Come on. You got to go. You want to go up. You want to retest this 870 area. That's what we're looking for. Come on. Go. Give me that 880. Also, okay, so update on my accounts. So my fund of futures, I got my payout. It was $3,400 in total once they took their 10% cut. Go, baby. Keep going. I want at least the 850s here. Give me a breakout. Come on, market. But on the take profit trader accounts, the accounts from Friday, those were gone, and I had to reset them. These are the new accounts. I did trade them on Friday, like after the close, just so I could get a traded day in. But yeah, that's where we're at. This is the second round on Take Profit Trader, which is why my costs, my expenses are a little bit. Come on, market. I might. Go, baby. Push it. Go. I just take that. Don't. Come on, fill me. I just kind of want to get out here. Don't do this, market. All right. Yeah, bad price action so far. Today, right now, this price action, I'm definitely not interested in trading my PA accounts. I'm gonna, I mean, if we get a really nice move back above this, we need to get back above the 870s. If we get above the 870s and we start to grind higher, then I'll definitely trade my PA accounts. But right now, just want to focus on taking some trades here on. I'm going to try to just be slow and steady on these take profit trader accounts, kind of like I'm doing with my trade day. There she goes, 845s. She's ripping. There it goes. Kind of figured once we would break that 820, 825 area, we'd see this thing rip. But it's all right. Okay, let's see. We take out that 850. Oh, it is definitely going to rip here. It's just going to rip straight up. Hey, trader Ronnie Money. Good morning. Man, this thing just keeps going higher. You had a dip. Here we go, 850s. All right, 850s being touched here. Let's see if we can get a pullback. Hey, good morning, D-Versatility. Micro Player, good morning. Good morning, Mr. Wall Street. Taking a short at 863s. Good luck, my friend. Snowman. Okay, give me a pullback. Jump back in here on these take profit accounts. Honestly, today we need to walk away from, once we're up like $500 on these accounts, we just need to walk away. I messed up on Friday, not just walking away on those earlier in the session, then it turned sour. We can do better. Come on, give me a bigger pullback than this. Really might keep going though. See if we can't get to the 870s. All right, get through the 850s right here. Come on. Get through the 850s here. Go. Push it. Keep going. Get going. All right, I'm going to just take it off. I'm not going to be greedy today. No greed allowed. Just going to take our profits and move on. There's a big divergence. Oh, really? Hey, good morning, Design Knob. How we doing? Mo, freelance trader. Say nothing, not get banned. What? What do you mean, freelance? I don't know what you mean. Rip it, John Henry. Hey, Citizen Zero in the house. Bruce Lee. Thank you, Linda. Hey, Bieno Trades. Good morning. I banned you on Friday, freelance trader? No, I did not. I did not ban you on Friday. What are you talking about? Oh, I bet probably one of the mods timed you out, maybe. I guess that could be it. It was probably one of it was probably one of the mods timed you out, freelance trader. I'm sorry, I don't know why. I'm not sure what you said, but I didn't ban you. If I banned you, you would still be banned. Oh, thank you, D. I forgot to get my clock up. Hey, crypto calls, the market's killing you. Right now, I'm just going to buy the dips. I am buying the dips. Crypto calls coming in with the number one. It wasn't me. Check with Design Knob or Rad Poker. Well, here's the thing. If it wasn't Design Knob, then it was definitely Rad Poker. I'm going to say that was probably him. Any hope on my live account? There's zero. I'm not joking. Those accounts, I give up. I actually give up. I traded those accounts again in the overnight session. I don't even want to talk about it. I was up $1,500. I had my take profit set at 1,800. Take profit set at 1,800. And do you think it could hit it? Nope. Literally could not get it hit. And it's a long story, but long story short is we hit the DLL again. I don't want to really talk about it. It's just something I don't even know. I'm an idiot when it comes to those accounts. I just can't do it. I give up. Can I get more Tradeify PA accounts now? I don't think so. That's what makes me really sad. I don't know for sure, but it doesn't sound like it. Which annoys me even more. And I don't know. It's my own fault. It's my own fault. It's no one else's fault but my own. But We'll just wait. I mean, I have to wait and see. I probably have to wait a month or two. I mean, technically, the Tradeify Live accounts are not technically gone yet, but definitely not looking good. Just very frustrating. If I had to do it over again, I think I would do it over. I would basically just try to get $200 days and get 10 $200 days racked up and then take out half the balance. I don't know. Hindsight is 2020. I just messed up. I just definitely just bad trading. Just some bad trading. Not taking profits, not locking myself out, that type of thing. Really, I just struggle trading with no consistency rule is present. I struggle with trading, struggle with knowing when to walk away. But we shall learn. It's a learning opportunity. That's how I'm going to look at it. It's a learning opportunity. Elite trader funding. No, actually, I didn't even think about that. D-win. That actually does kind of make sense, but no. The ELTDEN accounts are trade day accounts. Trade day. At what point do they take the Tradeify back? I don't know. I'm not sure. I guess we're about to find out, Nathan Ramirez. We're about to find out. All right, here we go. This is a very this is going to be a very important level. I mean, the 86 actually Wall Street, here's your level. 863s. I definitely don't hate taking scalp short here. Maybe I should do it. What do I think about Top One win? I mean, I've never been a fan of them. When they rolled out their affiliate program like a multi-level marketing scheme, that was a huge red flag. I did not like them from that point on. Not been a fan of them since. But to each their own. I don't want to get my MyF on the future accounts back above. I wouldn't short until a 940, but I mean, right now, I mean, I feel like it was definitely like shorting at the 864s is fair, and we might see a bigger move lower here. Now I gotta see if the 850s, maybe we come back, test 850s. If we do, I might take a stab at this long. But we're back on the take profit trader grind. Oh, I'm back on the take profit trader grind. Yeah. Gonna be let's hope this is the time. Let's hope this is the time that we actually can hold those take profit trader accounts for a long time. All right, is it just gonna pump right back up? Wow, just straight back up. Let's hope. 10 points booked, holding a trailer. Let's go, Wall Street. Nicely done. Whoever called out the short on 21,863, yeah, it was Wall Street. I definitely don't hate it, and if we fail to make highs here, we could see this thing continue lower. It's actually tempting a little bit here to take a short, but I want to wait. All right, it's trying to just get right back up above the 63s. There she goes, making new highs. Market only goes up. If you're into soul-searching liquidations, then short here. Hey, design knob, you know the deal we have, right? I just need you to tell me. Just need you to tell me when you get liquidated. That's wrong. You are the different bar charts you have on the bot. What are the different bar charts at the bot? Right here? This is just the Wada Tar explosion indicator, and this is the volume. Just the standard volume button. And we're getting definitely choppy right here. Made new highs, immediately pulling back down to the 850s, 853s. Hmm. All right, down to the 850s here. Now we wait. Maybe we get a pullback back. Maybe we look back to this EMA 830, 840s maybe. Come on, fill me. All right, I want to keep a short leash on this one. I don't know. See, this might stop me out here. Hey, let's go. That was a quick fill. Let's go. Whoa! Kelly Ann is back. What? What? Good morning, Kelly Ann. Good morning. It's good to have you back. I promise we'll be nice. As long as we can. Oh, Kelly Ann is back. Good morning. Good morning. How we doing? Wow, look at that rip. Straight back above the 860s. Could have held that for a breakout, but let's wait and see now. Again, if we look at, I mean, The previous session was 873. Now we have to look at, I mean, the 920s. That was the spike on news. No, what was this? I forget what this was. Something. We have a lot of resistance here at the 870s, but now we wait. Hey, good morning, John. Yes, Ben and Rose. Ben and Rose had me tied up this morning. They had me infatuated. I just couldn't move. No, I had issues with my camera this morning. Look at it, who? Look at her go. Whoa, what's going on here? Something's happening, fellas. Be careful. There's something going on. That was a big spike lower. Something is going on. Uh-oh, Kellyanne, you faded me and got smoked. Uh-oh, you hate to see it. I wonder if there's some kind of news coming out. Is there some kind of, did someone tweet? Did someone tweet? Did Orange Man tweet again? But yeah, this looks like we're going to go take out that 900 level. Maybe China talks. Yeah, I don't know what it was. Next level up, I got 21,930s. Yeah, 29,2930s is going to be the next. Mr. Wall Street, you added to your short? Mr. Wall Street is not buying this rip higher. $48 days trading that account. This is crazy. Hey, oh, I see now a mock rate. I did it. Day 8 complete. I can now request 20K. 20K? You can request 20K? Let's go, a mock rate. Let's go. That is awesome. You're killing. That's awesome, man. That's a lot of money. All right, let's see. Let's see. Maybe this was a sweep up through the 880s and now we pull back. Right now I'm just not going short. Not worth it. Not worth it. If we get above the 900s, 920s, kind of crazy, man. Yeah, John, that was crazy. John, that was a crazy email. So I was looking, so John, the email that you sent me, that's how the scammers will do it. Like, that's how the scammers will get you. It's too easy. That's one thing I don't like about Discord is it is way too easy for scammers to impersonate. Just way too easy for scammers to impersonate people. And it's kind of sad because you can just people make the same, like if you're not aware, they can just make it look like it's the exact same person that they're impersonating. And it's that's a lot of people fall for it too. Yeah, that's crazy. But no, that wasn't him, John. No, that was an impersonator. He was impersonating, and that was someone trying to scam you. John's been too long. He's been around the block a time or two. He didn't fall for it. It was one of those scams where what was he doing? What was he asking for again? He said that he will, if you trade 10% of the capital, you will enter a trade at 10%. Hey, it's crazy. A lot of scammers on Discord. Lots of scammers. And you got to be very careful, especially one thing to know is anyone that DMs you in Discord, just be extra cautious. It is usually a scam. It's lots on X too. Yeah, Kelly, like on X, there's just so many bots. Like there's so many like bots that auto reply to your tweet. So annoying. He was saying he was the admin from Apex, right? Because that is who he was impersonating. Yeah, send me Bitcoin and I will make you rich. I wrote 3 weeks with fake MFU CEO asking the dumbest questions in the world. Oh, no way, Tim. He went around and around with the guy, wasted his time. By the way, the data breach that happened over the weekend, for those that are not aware, there was a data breach with, I mean, I don't want to go out and say who, I mean, there are a lot of, there's a lot of evidence pointing it to being Topstep where the data leak happened from. I don't think they deny it. They say that that's not the case, but I don't know. There were a couple people that only had their credit cards. They only had issues, and the only credit card that it was being used on was the Topstep new dashboard. So if you have the Topstep new dashboard, be very careful. Check your credit cards. Make sure you're not getting fraudulent charges, and just be careful because there was definitely a data leak, and there were hackers over the weekend. And there is a lot of evidence pointing to it being Topstep. They keep denying it, but there's all the evidence points to it being them. I don't know. So, but be careful. That's a red. That's just yeah. You don't want to see that. All right, I might need to take this. All right, I guess we wait. I need to start using my ATM here. I'm just going to have a decently tight stop here. I'm not looking for a huge move here. Might be a little bit of a questionable long here. You know what? I don't like it. I'm killing it. I want to wait. Let's get a pullback at least to the EMA here. At least to the EMA. Maybe pull back to the 850s. Let's see if we can do it. I just requested a Chime card. I am going to be using for all props and just keep what I need for. I mean, you know what card is actually OP? The best card to use in the futures industry and the prop firm industry, in my opinion, is the I use the Robinhood Gold card. That is, I love that card. You can also generate one-time purchases. Like it allows you to generate a one-time card where you can use the card one time and then it auto it basically auto cancels, or the card is no longer valid after more than one purchase. So if you want to do like a you know how you can do a what do they call it? Like a free a trial. You do a trial and then after 7 days it gets charged again. Well, if you do that, you can make it so it will store the card, it'll let you take the trial, but it'll cancel the card before the trial starts. Okay, let's see if we don't get a bigger pullback here. Come on down, boy. Yes, it is a credit card. I don't use Robinhood since they screwed the retail traders on GameStop. Yeah, I mean, it is Robinhood, but it's not like it is I guess it is a division of Robinhood, whatever you want to call it, but you can get 3% cash back. So you can get 3% cash back on all purchases. And then I don't know, I like that feature. Using a United I've had since 2000. Oh, wow. You had 600,000 free miles. That's insane. Are you serious, Sumanth? You still have the take profit trader data issues? I mean, I know right now people were just reaching out to support and then they were fixing it. Most of them I've heard were fixing it relatively quickly. I assume you already reached out to them. Did you send them an email? Did you go on their website and do the chat feature? Seems like your support's getting lost in the mail. Or there you go. Kellyanne might be able to help you. I don't have any contact at Take Profit. I think Kellyanne does, so maybe she can help you out. You have the data issue as well? Yeah, but it's weird because some of you guys had the data issue and then they fixed it. And then you had the next day you had the same data issue again. So weird. I don't understand the data issue, like the delayed data. Seems like it would be a pretty easy fix, but hopefully. Okay, Leo, you did as well. You've been waiting since last Monday. Man, I hate to see that. All right, market. Let's see. I want to see if we can't. I want to see a pullback maybe to the EMA here. Oh, it just started today, Leo? I see. Mr. Wall Street, nice. Let's go. Tried to liquidate at the 890s, but it's holding now. All right, down below the 60s here. Now we got to be patient. Just can't jump in on a red candle. I got to wait for a good actual entry here. I'll take it. And down we go. 850s now. Will it continue to rip? Here we go, boys. This is where we have seen in the past. We will make these attempts at new highs where we got to be careful because this can just absolutely dump now. Got to be careful. Maybe we come test the 15-minute opening range high down here at the 815s. What happened to the Tradeify accounts? Market ghost. I don't know what else to say other than I suck. I suck at trading when it comes to those Tradeify live accounts. I can't do it. I can't for the life of me trade those accounts on a regular profitable basis. It just, I don't know what it is. But it's very frustrating. Very frustrating. Is it Kellyanne? Tradeify is your curse prop firm? See, I actually had like I had a ton of success trading Tradeify when I was in the sim funded environment. I had no issues. I took out 51,000 in payouts, then they moved me live, and as soon as I got moved live, I completely just could not. I just fumbled so bad. My biggest prop, my curse prop firm is Take Profit Trader. It's not even close. Take Profit Trader is my curse prop firm, and it is not even close. I just honest and it. I mean, there's something about it with when I don't have consistency rules to follow, I struggle. And I don't know. All right, do we need to take this? I think we need to take it. Now, if this continues just to fall apart, we're going to be in trouble, but I'm going to take profit here. Pump it. Come on, give me a. Don't want to see this thing reject now. Don't want to see it. Don't do it. Ugh. That is not what I wanted to see. I think we're okay here, but really don't want to see this thing close red. You might. Oh man. I'm not gonna DCA today, guys. Not gonna do it. I'm not gonna DCA today. We're just gonna take this loss. If we get hit here, we're just gonna take it. I got in trouble on Friday. I always get in trouble once I start to DCA. That's just it just never it ends well maybe 1 out of 3 times. But when it doesn't end well, it always ends up in a blowout. That's the problem. That's the problem with me and DCAing. Design knob is disappointed. I know. Is my problem mental? Yes. I have a big mental issue with creating those accounts. I don't know what it is. Honestly, don't tell Tradeify, but you know what I might do? And maybe this is the bad way to look at it, but where my account balances are, I seriously might wait and trade them at the next big news event. And if we recover them, fine. If we don't, it is what it is. All right, we're still alive on this trade. We are still alive if we can get a move now. Uh-oh. Food is here. Come, come, come. You want a nutty bar. I bet you do. More nutty bars. Here, Daddy, we'll open it. Tell the market go up.
Go up.
Yeah, come on, go up.
Go up, go up, go up, go up, go up, go up.
Okay, which one do you want?
That.
Okay, there you go, bud. You're welcome. All right. We don't get a move here. I'm going to kill this trade. We don't get a move here. I'm just going to kill it. Go. 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 I guess I get to eat the other half of the nutty bar. Mmm. Mm-mm-mm. Keep going. We just can't get anything going here. Trying to be patient. Well, I don't. Well, we are probably getting stopped here. Feels bad. All righty then. Perhaps a DCA will help the cause. Hmm. Well, well, well. Some people see a stop, others see a fine DCA spot. It's true. Imagine this rips higher now. I'm going to have regrets. I mean, if we continue to fail to make new, if we might actually be a short, might be a good short entry. And we just Can't get the buyers have disappeared. I want to see if we don't retest maybe the opening range high right here, the 815s. Yeah, we might get a bounce 820, 815 area is kind of what I'm looking at. Well, price action all of a sudden is very price action is very calm. All right. I want to wait till more buyers are here. I'm not taking this. I don't know what we're doing. Adding lower 10-point long booked. Nice, nice Wall Street. You have to quit charging people for clicking the like button. uh, if only, right? All right, is this gonna be the move higher now or not? I don't want to jump in here really. Kind of hoping to see a move to the 820s, but all right, maybe we do bounce. Maybe this is where we get the bounce. Be patient. Hey, investors. Good to see you. Good morning. My friend decided he wants to trade. Pointed him to your stream. Don't let him down. Don't let me down, Recklaw. I don't know about that decision. I'll show him maybe what not to do sometimes. And it's interesting level here. All right, trying to get above the 850s here. Starting to feel a little bit like the buyers are stepping in. Hey, unlock 350K Tradeify payouts. Let's go. Investors. That's awesome. Let's go. Did you watch the tournament this week? Yes, I did. I didn't watch the end of it. But it was a pretty good. I can't wait. US Open week, fellas. US Open week is here. Who we got? I'm just gonna wait here. If we can make a attempt at a new low and we fail, then I will take a long. Might just grind higher now. Is that possibility? Tiger Woods. Okay, that's do they have the tee times out yet? I don't think they do, right? Tee times are not out yet. Yeah, usually Tuesday. I would love to see Spieth win it. Oh, I would love that. But I mean, he has been playing better. He has been playing better, but it's yeah. I'm actually curious. Okay, I'm gonna look at the odds. Wow. Okay, so Scotty Scheffler, obviously the favorite to win it, plus 275. That makes sense. And we're just starting to grind higher now. Where I don't really want to chase it, but oh man. Yeah, Lynn Davenport. Spieth just is way too inconsistent right now. He has been playing better, but we have okay. I was surprised. I was wondering what. Okay, McElroy is at plus 950. Very interesting. Then John Rahm is at plus 1200. Bryson is at plus 650. Sander is at plus 2000, and then Ludwig is at 2200. Morikawa is at 2500. And okay, Justin Thomas is at plus 4000. Sepp Straka is at plus 4000. Jordan Spieth plus 6600. Man. That's crazy. But right now the US Open, I feel like whoever is going to drive it well is going to have a serious advantage. If you end up in the rough at the US Open, from what I've seen, it is going to be very, very difficult. If you're in the rough off the tee, if you can't hit your fairways, it's going to be an extremely long day. Wow, I'm not getting. We might have to jump in here without much of a pullback the way this is grinding higher. We're just grinding this thing higher. Slowly but surely. Man. All right, we're right here. I would prefer to see a pullback and a failed attempt, preferably. Hey, yeah, Rad Poker in the building. What are the odds on FTT Scott winning it? Thankfully, we don't have to know. Man, come on. Give me a pullback here. Jeez. These just keeps going higher. It's doing the grind higher. Tempting here to jump in, but a good way to get in trouble. Come on, pull back. Give me at least down to the 850s here, maybe. My goodness. Can't get any pullback here. So annoying when it does this. If you're not in the trade, it's so annoying when it does this kind of stuff. But man, About to die I'm about to buy this micro pullback. It's getting me. Give me a pullback. FOMO is real. The FOMO is real. Oh, design knob is long. Okay, let's do this, design knob. Let's do this. Oh my, look at this. Oh, you just knew it was gonna do this. The FOMO got me. You're funny, market. You're funny. Of course. Little prick. All right, now we're getting to where I actually wanted to go. This is comical. You're welcome, Zero Cool. You're welcome. This is not good, folks. This is not good. I don't like this one bit. I don't like my stop right here. I don't like a thing about it. Rip. All right, now we need to decide. If we stay here, we might be fine. But we probably need to strategically add to our position here. Not DCA. I'm not interested in DCAing here, but strategically. Oh my goodness, this is so bad. That was such a typical. Might be cooked. Don't DCA, it's just trade maintenance. Trade maintenance. I like it. I like that. Are we not even going to get an attempt here? Come on. At least give me an attempt. That's all I ask. This might actually just rip straight down. I hope not. Thankfully we're not trading our Apex PAs. This is exactly why. I am not a huge fan of this. I might actually kill this if we get to break even. Give me a temp. At least give me some kind of move here. Give me something so I can get out. Oh. It's not DCA, it's 2 trades. I like it. That's true. I mean, the problem I mean, I'm okay holding this. I mean, it's kind of stupid to get out right here. If we do bounce, we should bounce somewhere here. If we don't, I mean, just gonna have to take the L on it. Gonna have to take the L. That was just a bad FOMO trade. Right here, we gotta pump it. Come on. This is so bad. Unbelievable. Oh. And take profit trader never disappoints. Never disappoints. Unbelievable. All right, I give up. The TPT curse continues. Wow. All right, I guess now I mean, I don't know, in if we rip higher right here now, come on, really? Hmm. Man, look at this. It's just continuing lower. Wow. New lows. About to test that 820. All right. I'm going to. What can go wrong? Come on, Mark. Seriously, I'm getting. The buyers are gone. It's gone. You know it's going to stop me out, and then it's going to rip higher. I can already feel it. Thought we'd see a big. I don't know. Thought we'd see a bounce here, but maybe not. Now go. Keep going. Oh my goodness. It's gonna be one of them days. Gonna be one of them days. Ugh. Well. Gotta get going here. Come on. Should have pumped by now. Gotta go. Might need to kill this. Oh man. What a day. Just can't. Just there's no more buyers. None at all. It's so annoying price action. Hmm. So annoying. Oh, I give up. Maybe we might just bleed lower all day long now. These take profit trader accounts. Oh, this does not matter. Cannot. I just can't do it. These if I lose these accounts, I'm not gonna reset them. I'm not doing it. Too annoying. Of course, now it's gonna rip. It's so annoying. Unbelievable. Yeah, it is. Well, no, it's 11. It is 11:30. Which this move started at 10:30, then 11. Right now we're just making lower lows and or higher lower highs and lower lows. So really not anything to be too excited about, I guess. Probably should have been looking for shorts there, but we'll wait. We'll give it one more opportunity, and then we got about one more bullet. Got one more bullet. Hey, very nice, TCG Andy. Happy June 9th. I'm confused as to your trade premise decisions. Well, here's the beautiful thing about it, Hunter. Um, you don't need to know my trade premises. If we fail again, we did bounce off of this 15-minute range, I guess. But okay, here we go. 840s. I I don't even know. Now it's at the point where how much drawdown? I mean, I have what? How much is the DL 2000 on this? So we got one bullet left. One more bullet. I should go all in long. Go all in long. You're just trying to learn since you're displaying my trade. You're displaying your trading. No, it's fine, Hunter. Right now is probably not the best time to. I'm not in the mood. I'm not in the mood to explain my trading, to be quite honest. So I'm not sure I can explain it myself some. But this is an eval, which I probably should take it a little bit more. I mean, I do take these seriously. It just annoys me. So annoying. I get so annoyed at these take profit evals. All right, I think we take the one last bullet short. Why not? Tate. Tate. Oh, you hate to see it. I don't know if this is gonna rip now. Is this gonna start grinding higher? Feel like we honestly right now I have no idea. This ain't it. We take our last bullet short. Or is this gonna break above the 40s? Trying. Yeah, there she goes. All right, I'll wait. I'll wait. Shall wait. If we failed, if this 40 doesn't hold, might be okay taking a shot here. Just, I'm afraid it's going to start doing that slow grind higher. That's the worst to get trapped in. Give up. This, if this rips higher now, so be it. Come on, now go. Keep going. Can't get greedy here, though. Oh, we gotta keep going here. Come on. A hunter. Who say what? If you want to be an influencer, then be an influencer by describing how you trade for all to learn. First of all, a hunter. I mean, I don't know what you're on about, but if you can read my channel, look at my channel. Where does it say that I'm doing this to teach you how to trade? Nowhere. I'm not doing this to teach you how to trade, okay? So go find somewhere else to watch if that's what you're looking for. I am sharing my journey. That's it. Go start your own channel, you douchebag. And learn how to read. I'm so okay, this market's seriously frustrating me today. Exactly, UK futures trader. How do you have a crown, Kellyanne? That needs a full investigation. Oh, we have an idiot in here that thinks, I don't know what he's thinking, but a hunter's some genius trader, I guess. I don't know. I don't even know what his point was. I don't even care. This market, I'm about to I'm getting so annoyed. Oh my goodness, this thing cannot, we just can't get anything going. Now it's gonna rip higher again? Really? Need to get out of this trade. I feel like I should be long. Tate. Make a course. Yeah, right. This market is purposely trying to annoy me, and it's doing a very, very good job. I will say. It is doing a fantastic job at annoying me. I'm about to hit the reverse button. Getting to that point where I just want to watch these accounts burn. Let's just light them on fire and watch them burn. Now go! Dump it! Come on! Like, do it! This is so... UK futures trader. You are being wild. You know I'm going to tell Rochelle, UK futures trader. Hey, come on. I'm not even joking. Go Lower. Not funny. There's only one thing that will make me more upset than I currently am. And that is if I take my profits early and then it dumps. That will trigger me way more than if this stops me out. Now keep going. Come on. Are so stupid. Urgh. Dump it. Not joking. Dump it. Oh, for the love of everything holy, it now rips higher. I'm going to start unplugging things. My body physically hurts. My brain hurts right now. Dumbest market I've seen in a long time. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Market, I'm begging you. I don't know what to say. You couldn't go fill me there, huh? That was too much to ask. You know what? Go ahead. Pot committed. uh, oh, I'm just thankful this is a party trade. I need to stop. Oh, this is too bad. This is too much. Get the credit card ready for the resets. I'm not going to reset these accounts again. This is why I don't do it. It gets me so annoyed. So annoying. So annoying, and if I wouldn't be trading this, I wouldn't be now I'm not even mentally stable to trade my PA accounts, even if we do get good price action. So dumb. So dumb. Does my lawn need mowing? I might file divorce papers with the NASDAQ. We're not even getting divorce papers. We're just straight up. Never mind. Not over yet. I'm sure it's gonna give me a. I'm sure it's gonna tease me. It's gonna tease me a little bit, and then it's gonna rip like this. I should have just. I mean, whatever. I don't even. I'm over it. I am over it. K Trader, those are trade day accounts. Yeah, wait, Design Knob, you were liquidated at 813, and you're just telling me this now? You're just telling me this now, Design Knob? I feel betrayed. I feel betrayed. You know what? I just want this to be over. Stop with the pain and agony. Let's get this over with. Come on. Just get it over with. I want the pain to go away. Oh, you're reminding me? You posted it as it happened? I didn't see it. I did not see it. I would have completely revised my trading plan. I'm just kidding. I probably wouldn't have. All right, come on. Just get it over with. Just get it over with. Last words? Anybody last words? Uh-oh. Oh, it's doing the thing. It's doing the thing where it won't let you cancel. I hate when it does that. Ah, got an idea. And take Profit Trader is on it. When it comes to closing your accounts, they are on it. But when it comes to creating or getting your account stuff, watch this rip lower now. Watch. Hang on. Hold up. Wait a minute. You can't make this up, man. I'm not kidding. Look at it. Look at it, guys. Look at it. Tell me the SEC doesn't need to get involved here. Tell me with a straight face. More evidence to be collected right here. Actually insane. Design Knob knows exactly what I'm talking about. It's just so I'm over it. That's why I don't this is why I was like, I'm not in the mood. I'm not in the mood to go through the take profit trader passing evals again. I'm just not in the mood. Because then this is what happens. This is what happens. It will put me in a spiral and annoy me to the point where it affects the rest of my trading. So annoying. Take profit traders officially on the ban list again until further notice. Until tomorrow. SEC doesn't regulate futures. Don't correct me with facts. I'm not in the mood. Oh, I don't know why I don't know why I do this. Why do I put myself through it? Not worth it. You know what? Why don't we mess up our My Funded Future accounts while we're at it? That sounds like a great idea. Let's see if we can let's see if we can get these My Funded Future accounts back to green. Time for tilt chair. I'm not really tilted, I'm annoyed. I'm annoyed that I reset those accounts. I'm annoyed that I just spent $1,000 on those take profit accounts and I got nothing to show for it. I'm annoyed. I'm not tilted, I'm annoyed. I don't know if there's a difference, but I just don't want to I don't want to talk about it. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I literally got liquidated at the top right there. It's insane. Absolutely insane, man. I hope it goes higher now. It won't be the top for long. True. I would never copy trade TPT evals. Yeah, you see if I don't and then I pass one, then it's even I don't know. It's mutually annoying kind of. This is definitely not tradable. Bright. You've been scalping NQ for 2 to 3 points. That's probably what I should have been doing, because trading it is definitely not feasible, but you could probably scalp this. Just do the scalpity. The scalpity method. This is just so choppy. Does anybody want anything from the gas station? I could think a couple things I could use. All right, we're trying to grind higher now. It is starting to look like we are trying to grind higher. And immediately back down. Wow. One of the Slurpee things. Get me a sandwich. Red poker. No, you didn't. You are too funny. Do we trust this pullback? If we're gonna scalp, right here's where we would do it. I'm gonna try it. Think I'm gonna try it. Maybe not. This is trying to scare me here. Oh, I'm glad I waited. We gonna retest this? This opening range high? Wow. Just now right back down. Trust me, the low is in. We're going down. Yeah, I mean, are we going to bounce here off of this 820 or not? That's what I want to know. All right, I'm waiting. I'm glad I waited a little bit on that one. I would have got destroyed. I would be so mad right now. Hey, Kellyanne with the... There we go. Let's see. Right here, 15-minute opening range high right here. Is it going to hold? Definitely getting a bounce off the 820s. Getting a bounce. How big? Who knows? We... Oh, this is so tiring. I mean, it's, to me, as long as we hold above this 15-minute opening range high, if we hold above it, I think we're going higher. I just don't know. Are we going to test this again? Who knows? If this holds. Dan Taloy Dan, trade the range. What? That's what I'm about to do here. If we hold, we got the VWAP here. Let's see. We're going to find out together. Either this is going to just rip right through it, and we're going to take a little bit of a loss, or we get a bounce. We shall wait and see. I'll go. Keep going. This is where we've messed up in the past today. We like trying to hold till we get this pop above 25. Just go. Keep going. All right, we'll take it. Definitely seems like the range. Let's see. Are we gonna drop back down now? As long as we hold on this 15-minute opening range here, as long as this holds, and the VWAP. What a choppy day. Finally, we got a winning trade. Finally. Hey, if I could choose to have winning trades on my funded accounts and losing trades on my evals, that is definitely how I would choose it. So when it matters, we locked it in. I'm still annoyed though. I'm still annoyed though. I'm not gonna lie. That take profit trader is that's so annoying. And look at this. Actually, hang on. Let me get the right thing up here. Look at this. This is the problem. Hang on. Whatever. Why is that screen wrong? There we go. Look at this. Take profit trader. We have the most expenses of all of our prop firms. The most expenses. And payouts. I mean, we don't have the least amount expenses, but between our active, between the actual prop firms that we're still trading, we have the least amount of payouts and the most amount of expenses on Take Profit Trader. I don't know why I keep trying to trade Take Profit Trader. It's obvious I don't know how, and I can't. That's what is annoying. But anyway, I digress. Could you share your Excel spreadsheet to manage my expenses? Prop firms for keeps. I can. If you want to send me an email, I'll share this spreadsheet with you, but you have to put in all the data on your own. So, it's nothing like automatic or anything like that. There's a lot of manual entry that you have to do, but copy trade those accounts to my overnight accounts so they applied to a rule-based account. Yeah, I've thought about that actually. I've thought about it like where, okay, if I would just like almost hide my account, like, so I don't mentally know I'm trading them, because it messes with me mentally. Like, I'm for real. When I'm trading Take Profit Trader accounts or my Tradeify Live accounts right now, it actually, I don't know. I just have no confidence in a setup. I take the setup and I just immediately think it's going to fail because of how things have been going. Not a great, it's not a good mental state to be in, that's for sure. But it's just, I can't help it. I can't help it. It's been so bad that it just immediately I go to versus my fund of future or other accounts. I take a trade, I have pretty good, like, it's just so different. It's in my head. It's just totally in my head. All right, if we fail to make new lows here, actually I'll take this trade if we get above this. See if we get above it. All right, did not get filled there. Don't mind if I don't get filled here. Design it's holding up at 813. I thought about that. I cannot stand the Project X platform. I like Tradeify much better. My email is nuttybar1983@gmail.com. Nuttybar1983@gmail.com. If you want to, okay, we're in, folks. Hold on, boys. Now, if I was just wanting to take a scalp here, I would probably just take my profit right here. Do I want to do that? I don't know. Feel like I should. The way the day's been going, just probably not a good day to be getting greedy. In the words of Nutty, dump it. No, no, no. Compass Media, thanks for the subscription. I appreciate that. Frank Costanza, I think it needs to sweep those lows first. I hope. Hopefully we sweep my target first. But I'm a little worried about the VWAP right here. Or the EMA right here. Get a quick pop here. Come on. Pop it. Pop it like it's hot. That's it. That's it. Thank you. Thank you, market. See, market, you can do it. You can do it when it's not a take profit trader account. Now, will it keep going? We shall wait and see. The main thing I can't do, I cannot chase these breakouts. We gotta wait for pullbacks. We cannot be chasing these breakout trades. This is where we're getting destroyed. Gotta trade the range right now. Trade the range. That's right, D'Angelo Dan. It's so easy. Oh, man. Markets are weird. Oh, Matt Rad. Oh, I don't know. I'm in Ohio right now. I do plan to move to Florida again this winter, so probably not until then. You can chase it, just might not end well. Exactly. Exactly. We have been there, done that. We don't want to do it again. Take profit trader. Your account has been disabled. Our records indicate that one of your trading rules has been broken. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, I get it. I get it. I suck. You don't need to rub it in. I got the message loud and clear. Hey, small burning flame, thanks for the sub. Also, Ahmed, thanks for the sub. I appreciate that. Thank you. Here's a coupon code. Try it again. No, they don't even give me a coupon code. They're just like, give me $100 and I'll, or $500, you can do it again. I have a Replicando Tradeify question for me. What is it, Will Grimmer? I will try to answer. Is something going on with Take Profit Trader? I have sent several messages to support and can't get a response. Sean Lesnar, I mean, they are backed up with their support right now. Unfortunately. I don't think it's anything more than that. They're just running behind. But do you shoot? I would reach out to them again. I think my trade win rate today is under 10%, and normally I'm around 70. Actually, I might be similar, to be honest. I actually probably I'm similar. Definitely not having a good day. But it could be worse. Doesn't feel as bad now that we deleted those take profit accounts, pretend like it didn't happen. You reached out twice? Okay. Man, that's unfortunate. I'm sorry, man. I wish I had a direct contact. The Way Cool, those are trade day accounts. And actually on those trade day accounts, let me look. How many days have I traded those? Trade day, you need to trade for 7 days. You need to trade for 7 days, and we have traded for. Okay, so today would be the 5th day. Today would be day number 5, so we need to trade these for 2 more days, and we need to get like $500, $525 more in profit. So hopefully. Yes, Jay, we blew the Take Profit Trader accounts, and it is what it is. I'm done. I'm not gonna. It is what it is. I don't know, man. I can't do it. Keep thinking that maybe something will change, and then nope, nothing changed. Man, this is interesting. If we pull back here again, I'm a little worried that this 15-minute opening range high right here is not going to hold for that 3rd time. But we shall wait and see. It happens to all of us, prop firm for keeps. I know I'm not the only one, but it's still annoying. Is Royal Trade. What's cracking, son? Hey, you know what? You should pressure wash the. Hmm. Okay, looks like we're trying to get another leg lower. I want to go short here, but the shorts today have not treated me well. Very tempting here to go short. Wait, I'm gonna wait. You can teach your son how not to trade TPT. I should just teach him to fade me on my Take Profit Trader account. My latest Apex payout was approved last Wednesday, but no funds yet. In your opinion, should I be concerned? No, Frank Costanza. I would last Wednesday, yeah, I would wait. You should get him tomorrow. I would you should get him tomorrow, but I wouldn't be worried until like Wednesday, Thursday. But is it your first one, Frank? Do I know if Buellnox is compatible with NinjaTrader and Replicanto? I mean, I would assume they are. They have Rhythmic. You can connect Rhythmic accounts. Yes, could be. Okay, so if it's your first one with Apex, definitely keep an eye on it. And if you don't see anything by Thursday, Friday, let me know. I don't know. I've definitely seen it where the first payout, you know, if the numbers or something is put in wrong, then that would be the only reason that I would be worried. Shouldn't be an issue, Frank. I'm still going through the compliance fifth day now, and they approved my payout within this period. Let's go, consistent trader. That's good to hear. I like to hear that. Okay, we are, maybe this is gonna grind higher now. Did not, man. I wanna wait. Will there be a recap of today's gossip? I don't think so. There wasn't much. Well, I guess there is some to recap. Take Profit Trader is gone. And the rest, I mean, Tradeify live account, pretty bad. The rest, not terrible. But unless something drastically changes this afternoon, I am definitely not trading my Apex accounts in this kind of price action. It's ugly. Really hope we don't get this kind of summer price action like this. It's going to get very boring. Do they have a withdrawal cap on trade day? Yes, I believe they do, Levi. Yes, I believe they do. What is my daily profit target for Apex PA accounts? I mean, 2 to 300, I'd be really happy with it. So 2 to 300 per account is where I would be, you know. All right, let's see if we get above. See if we get above the 840s here. All right, we're above the 840s. Can anyone here give advice? I get error comes up. It says I need to connect. Yeah, Sean Lesnar, that's a known issue. You have to reach out to support. Yeah, Sean. Yeah, unfortunately, that's a known issue with Take Profit Trader right now. And you just have to reach out, ask them, you know, give them that information, and hopefully they'll fix it in a timely manner. All right, can we get above the 845s? And I almost want to. And this is not, we're not going to be taking trades on breakouts. You've reached out many times. Yeah, I'm sorry, Sean. I don't know. Hey, what kind of news? What kind of news is coming out to this week? I wanted to check. So we have CPI on Wednesday. Yes. Tomorrow there is no news. And then Wednesday is CPI. That is definitely going to be a mover. And then Thursday we have unemployment and PPI. And then Friday we have some inflation expectations, consumer sentiment. But yeah, Wednesday's going to be the big news day. Could be interesting. Hey, how we doing, Camber Trades? Good to see you. Maybe their ticket system is like Apex's, where if you continuously open ticket, it pushes you to the bottom. And I thought about that as well. I don't think that's the case, but yeah. Oh wow, look at this. We're breaking out. Eh boy. This might be a move to new highs. Try to test the highs here. Now I just want to wait for a pullback. I'm not gonna chase this. Not gonna do it. I sent a ticket to TPT on May 26th, and you didn't get an answer until June 5th. Oh man. I thought Apex was bad. Ugh. Please, do anyone know how Trade by Matt get his payout because he lost more than I count? I couldn't tell you. I do miss I miss the days where Trades by Matt would show his balance. After every trade, he would show his accounts and his balances. I do miss those days. I do miss it. Because then you can track progress. I don't know. Now it's just hard to, I don't know. But it is what it is. To each their own. You will mention it now and then. Okay. I didn't know, like, yeah, I watch his recap videos and stuff, and I just seldom see it. Or he doesn't really show it. But again, to each their own. Any advice if your Replicanto leader account takes a winning trade? I'm not sure, Real Grimmer. I mean, I don't think that you can. I don't know. I'm not sure. I don't think, as far as you mean reaching out to Replicanto, you're not going to have any luck. No. Use this big payout to gain popularity and then get hit it when people ask him about payouts. Yeah, I do. I have very similar opinions. Agreed. You should. Oh, you mean reaching out to Tradeify? I mean, they're not gonna. I doubt it, Will Grimmer. You switch to TradeSync, Kellyanne. I mean, I want to. I've heard a lot about TradeSync. I really don't have a reason to change. I'm just. I mean, if Replicanto would act up, then I would probably look at it. But most of the time, in my experience, if your Replicanto trade copier is causing issues, it's probably more an issue on your computer and your RAM. If you don't have a lot of RAM you don't have a lot of RAM, that can really affect the copy trader and the lagging, and that can have a major impact on it. Is Replicanto a monthly fee? They are not. It's just a one-time fee. It works with Tradeify, Rhythmic, and DXV. They're working on Snitch X now. Snitch X. Yeah, that's the only thing that I would change. If they add it where you can actually copy trade between Replicanto, Replicanto, Tradeivate, and Project X. Hey, then I might try Topstep again, to be honest, because then I could just copy trade and yeah, who know? I guess then maybe, or that would then add some value. But why does someone not create it? Can someone explain this to me? Someone smarter than I am. Why is there not a trading platform created that allows you to have multiple Tradeivate connections and multiple Rhythmic connections? Why is there no such thing like that? If there was such a thing like it, I would immediately switch to that platform. No questions asked. But we have Quant Tower, which can have multiple Rhythmic connections. And now we have Ninja Trader that can have multiple Tradeivate connections, but we can't have both. Because they're competitors? I mean, I understand they're competitors, but I'm saying making a standalone program that, makes it work. Just do it. Make it work. It's annoying to have 5 Tradeivate tabs open. Right. You can copy trade Topstep with Replicanto using Tradeivate. What? What, Big Head Beef? Oh, Tradeivate isn't allowing you to trade them on other platforms except Ninja, huh? That's interesting. You can copy trade Topstep with Replicanto using Tradeivate. Then you need to use Rhythmic Trader Pro. What? Huh? I'm not sure what that means. I'm not sure what that means. Once you do that, you must use Rhythmic Trader Pro. The day I use Rhythmic Trader Pro to enter trades is the day that I will just not going to happen. If you trade, Rhythmic Trader Pro seems like the worst platform to actually take trades on. I mean, unless I guess maybe you're used to it, but man. Yeah, their data feed is CQG. Rhythmic is just a data provider, right? But oh man, what a honestly, I'm so annoyed. I'm still annoyed. Why? How did I blow those take profit accounts in this trash stupid price action? So annoying. But we are definitely in the grind higher phase. Not getting any pullbacks. As a leader of the Rhythmic Trader Pro community, I feel deeply disrespected. I apologize. Do actually people trade with Rhythmic Trader Pro? Like, are you guys actually serious? Like, you actually open Rhythmic Trader Pro, and that is where you place your trades. I'm shocked. I'm actually shocked anybody does that. But hey, good on you. If that works, hey, if it works, it works. But that's crazy. To me, that seems like that seems crazy. You don't have to trade using their platform. I use Tradeify/TradingView for all my trades through Ninja Trader using Replicanto Copy Trader. Man, Big Head Reef. I feel like, is there a YouTube video that actually shows people how that works? So you're saying you can buy a, do I have you correctly? Do I understand you correctly? That you can have a Tradeivate, or not a trade, you can buy a Topstep Rhythmic account, and then can I trade on Ninja Trader and then somehow through Rhythmic copy trade those accounts? Traveling Trader Replicanto. All right, I'll look into that. I'm learning. I learn new things every day, and I'm all for it. Have I been sleeping on this for 6 months? What the heck? Are you serious? That works? I'm actually offended that I don't know this until now. I am so what? What did we explore? Well, to be fair, you're always late. Okay, that's kind of fair. Kind of fair, but so you can all right, now I'm going to be vested. I'm going to what the heck? And we just keep going higher. Okay, whatever, dude. Whatever, man. Oh man, look at this thing go. Oh man. You just knew this was going to go higher when this held. This 815, this opening range high held, should have. Now I can't chase this. I don't know. I should probably just. Oh, I don't want to get these My Fund of Future accounts green though. Design knob was liquidated at 813. I am allowed to laugh at you, Design, because I got liquidated as well. Maybe not at that price, but it's still. That is so unfortunate. That is unfortunate. Never forget. I'm sorry for laughing, Design Knob. I apologize. Oh man, that's so wrong. That is like it's 813. I mean, you got to be a ninja to get liquidated at 813 today. That actually requires some skill. It's actually impressive if you think about it. Oh man. All right, I want to be careful here, but I do want to be long. Why don't I use Topstep? I mean, because it's annoying. It's annoying because I can't have him set up on my Ninja Trader. That's why. Oh my word. Are you serious? Hold on, guys. I did not know this. We have. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Guys. Yeah, Kellyanne. Okay, guys, we have breaking news. Breaking news just arrived at the top of the hour here, and we have to cut now. We have to cut to a live scene here. Breaking news coming in hot. Everybody, hold on. I did have some good payouts with Topstep last year. I would use them again if I could connect them to Ninja Trader and everything. Now, here's the news. Here's the news, fellas. Breaking news, top of the hour. We have a new Ben and Rose song that has just been released, coming to you hot. And here you go, for the first time. Enjoy this beautiful song from Ben and Rose. Oops.
But I don't need a mansion on a hilltop. I've learned to love a simple cottage here below. Streets of gold and walls of jasper aren't really what I'm after. Let me live out where the wildflowers grow.
Oh, this tune is gonna just run in my head.
But I've never had much money, and I want to feel at home when I get there. Lord, I don't need a mansion on a hilltop. I've learned to love a simple cottage here below. Streets of gold and walls of jasper aren't really what I'm after. Let me
You know you like it, Camber Trades. Don't even pretend like you're muting right now. Yeah, I know you're not muting.
I don't need a black tie.
John, are you here, John? John, where's John?
A simple welcome home, my son will do.
This is all worth the copyright strikes.
The bluebird singing and the country church bell ringing on the day that I come running.
Oh, guys, I'm sorry. We have to redo this. I'm gonna have to play this again. I was playing it in 720p, which is unacceptable on my behalf. Look at that beautiful scenery. John is long gone. Come on, John, get in here.
So when I wake up in the morning on the far side banks of Jordan, let the one I loved on earth stand next to me. Lord, I don't need a mansion on a hilltop. I've learned to love a simple cottage here below. Streets of gold and walls of jasper aren't really what I'm after. Let me live out where the wildflowers grow. Oh, let me live out where the wildflowers grow.
Oh, man, let's go. You're welcome, guys. You're welcome. You're welcome. If John shows back up, we'll play it again. I know John is very sad that he wasn't here for it. So if John shows up again, I'll be sure to play it again. Don't fret. John probably just stepped away for a bite to eat or something. I'm sure he'll be back. Oh man, that was some great music right there. Oh, wonderful. All right, we got a nice little pullback here. Zero cool. Yeah, let's go. See, I see a lot of people asking for another song. Yeah, I see a lot of people. Love to see it. Love to see it. Yeah, okay. I'll make note. Great music. See, everybody loves it. Lots of people love this music. I love it. I love it. Next time I'm at the BDH, I'm gonna play some Ben and Rose. I think Patrick could use some Ben and Rose in his life. You know, I think he'd enjoy it. Make the poll. I bet a majority of people love it. Oh, I know they do. I don't even need to do a poll. And yes, I get copyright striked every time I play their song. Every time I play their song, I get copyright striked, and it's worth every time. It's worth it every time. We all have to make some personal sacrifices in life. It'll be Nutty's last visit to the BDH. It'll be worth it. It'll be worth it. Is Rose married? Yes, she's married. That's her husband that she's singing with. Part of what makes it so great. It's like an Amish love story. They just got married and they make beautiful music together. Oh, we got to take this trade, guys. I don't make the rules. Whoa! Oh my word, that scared me. I don't know what that was, but I'm out of there. What? Oh my god. That Oh my god. Okay, raise your hand if you just got scared by that. Oh my goodness. Okay, you guys couldn't hear it. Okay, never mind. You guys couldn't hear it. So I had my volume on my computer turned all the way up. Oh my goodness. Okay, if this holds, I'll go in again, but that actually was kind of weird. That was super weird. Oh, and we're in. We're in, boys. Let's get it ripping here. Love to make new highs. Would love to make new highs. Ain't nothing scarier than Ben's haircut. If the world had more character like that, we'd live in a much better place. It's like I always say, I mean, and I know a lot of people would, a lot of Amish would agree with this. Is yeah, I think the Amish have a lot of great, how would I say, great values, but there's bad and good with the Amish, just like any other people in that you probably will run into. But no, as a whole, I'm very thankful that for my upbringing and heritage. Come on, market. Give me a good trade here, please. I actually meant to trade anyway. Man, that last trade, it actually scared me. I literally got entered. I don't even know what that was right here, but hope it doesn't do it again. Ben and Rose is like the Beatles of the Amish community. It is. Trust me, Ben and Rose are one of the hottest, like not everyone, but almost every Amish couple or whatever, they know who Ben and Rose is. If it was that good, I'd be raising his children Amish. Exactly. That's true. My YOLO long tilt strat worked. Let's go, Tilly the Don. I just need it to continue now. We need this to continue. Come on now. Keep going. Keep going. Don't fake out here. Come on. Gotta get going here. Come on. Come on. If we fail here, I feel like my stop needs to be almost like right. I mean, I definitely need to have my stop here. I'll probably below this EMA. I could be fine. Really hoping we would just go. Just pop it here. Come on. On, go. Come on, go. All right, this is getting. I don't know that I like this. Go. Right, now go. Keep going. All right, we'll take that. Hey, you battle back to green black coffee. Let's go. Let's see if we make new highs here. Do we get above that 890? And how do we fail here to make new highs? I probably just need to walk away today. This was the only setup that, but we basically had equal highs here. If we make new highs, it would be, and if we get a nice pullback like this, then that would be the only setup I would be willing to take on my Apex accounts. That would be a good setup, but I don't know that we're going to make new highs here. Market has the enthusiasm of a 3-week-old turn in the August heat. Hey, Chad Koran, you passed the Take Profit Trader account today? Let's go. Nicely done. I wish I was you. Teach me. Teach me thy ways. Because I don't know how. Did you just call me naughty? What's the name of the volume indicator that I use? This here is the up-down volume, and this is the Wada Atari explosion indicator. Hey, base hits. Yeah, that's probably what I'm doing wrong. On those Take Profit Trader accounts, I'm trading minis. Trading minis it can go wrong so quickly. Does volume help you? Because it never helps me. Honestly, I have volume on here that I use it very seldom. I use this. I do use this, not as entries, but more just to kind of a confirmation almost. Oh man, I was hoping John would show up again, but we'll get John tomorrow if he doesn't show up today. How do I get all the fancy this is the chart trader from Affordable Indicators. It's a custom script and you have to pay for it. All right. Yeah, it looks like it does not. I don't know that this is going to make new highs. I'm up 2,200 today, but my trailing drawdown has only 2K left. Yeah, that intraday drawdown can get you. Yeah, on the, yep. All right, this moved kind of now. This is. All right, I think I'm going to call it here, guys. This pullback's got me scared now. I am not really interested. I might take a trade or two on those MyFunded futures if we see something a little bit better at 230, but oh no, Pine Tree, just as I'm ready to sign off, you stop in. Good to see you, Pine Tree. I'm sorry. I need to I gotta walk away. I don't know. I don't like this, and I'm gonna stop back in around 230 and see what it's doing, but I'd rather switch to a firm that pays out weekly than deal with the intraday drawdowns with TPT. Once you get above the buffer, it's not bad, but yeah, getting it, especially if you're going big size. Do all props have intraday drawdowns? No, Sam Laker. No, they do not. Tradeify, you can choose if you want end of day or intraday. MyFunded futures, you can choose. Apex has intraday. And look at this. Now a bigger pullback down below this EMA or EMA. All right, well, I think I'm gonna go. I got some honeydew stuff to do and knock some honeydew lists. Gotta go power wash our deck. Or patio deck, whatever you want to call it. So I think I'm gonna call it, and we'll be back tomorrow, hopefully on time. By the way, the camera. Let's go. Round of applause to the camera not shutting down. So maybe what I did today worked. Let's hope so. Let's hope it doesn't cause more issues tomorrow. Do I use the round broom style to clean it? No, I use the power washer to clean it. So should be fun. If it's not raining, it should be fine. But all right, guys, I'm going to sign out here. We will be back tomorrow morning, hopefully on time tomorrow morning. Oh, you mean the attachment that goes around? I don't have that. No, I don't. I've seen it. Looks pretty nice, but I don't have it. Maybe one day. All right, everybody, take care. Appreciate everybody stopping in. Hit the like button on your way out if you don't mind. Take care, and God bless.